To locate electrical schematics for a hood fire suppression system, several avenues can be explored. Firstly, examine the manufacturer's website. In this instance, the manufacturer is Protex Roman 2 and their website is proxtwell.com. Often, manufacturers provide technical documentation, including schematics, directly on their website for easy access. Secondly, consult the vendor's documents. The vendor responsible for installing the fire suppression system is likely to have provided schematics as part of the installation documentation package. These documents should be readily available if the system was professionally installed. Thirdly, investigate the building management system or BMS. If the fire suppression system is integrated with the BMS, the schematics might be stored within the BMS software. This integration is common in modern buildings, where various systems are centrally managed. Fourthly, consider the fire alarm control panel or FAP. The FAP might contain a modular interface that connects to the fire suppression system, and schematics may be accessible through the FAP software. The FAP serves as a central point for monitoring and controlling fire safety systems. Fifthly, check the electrical panel. The electrical panel that powers the fire suppression system may contain a wiring diagram or schematic. This diagram is often affixed to the inside of the panel door for quick reference. Sixthly, review the owner's manual. The owner's manual for the fire suppression system may include basic electrical schematics, providing a fundamental understanding of the system's wiring. For specific contact information for Protex Roman 2, their technical support line is 800-872.3435 and their email is. Contacting Protex Roman 2 directly to request the schematics is a recommended step. They can provide the most accurate and up-to-date information. It's also advisable to check with your local fire department or building inspector. They may have available documentation or records related to the fire suppression system. If you are not comfortable working with electrical schematics or the system itself, hiring a qualified electrician to assist in locating and interpreting the schematics is crucial. They have the expertise to safely work with electrical systems and ensure compliance with relevant codes and standards. In summary, finding electrical schematics involves checking manufacturer resources, vendor documentation, integrated systems, control panels, electrical panels, and owner's manuals. Don't hesitate to contact the manufacturer or consult with professionals for assistance.